In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Nissan Xterra. It's a simple job you can do in just a few minutes, and it'll help keep the air inside your vehicle clean and fresh. First, open your glove box. You'll notice a tab on each side. They keep the glove box from falling out. Just gently press in on both sides at the same time and lower the glove box down so it swings freely. Now that the glove box is out of the way, look straight ahead and you'll see a small rectangular cover. That's the cabin air filter housing. All you do is pull down on it and it'll come off. No tools needed. First, pull out the left filter. Once the left filter is removed, grab the second, pull it to the left inside the box, then you'll be able to pull it straight out. If it's your first time replacing it, don't be surprised if it's packed with leaves, dust, or even bugs. And what a difference that makes. Make sure your new filter is facing the correct direction. There should be an airflow arrow on the side. Slide it into the slot with the arrow pointing down. When installing the new filters, slide the first one straight in, then push it to the right. That will open up the space to insert the second filter on the left side. You just replaced the cabin air filter on your Nissan Xterra in under 5 minutes. This should be done about once a year or every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. More often if you drive in dusty areas. Snap the filter cover back on, then lift the glove box and gently press the sides in again to pop it back into place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.